Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about the need for people to learn English. I have received many inquiries regarding how to learn English. Many people believe learning English will open opportunities for them to progress in life. Many people know that English is a global language. Once someone learns English, they will be able to get a job. It will increase their education opportunities. Many research papers, many research books, many education materials are written in English. English is both the media language and also a business language. Now, if you want to learn English, number one, you should never worry what other people think about you, how you are going to pronounce the words, how you are going to construct the sentences. Worry should be your last concern. Any person who wants to learn something new must never worry about what people really think what they are doing. So number one is stop worrying what other people are thinking about you. Number two, strategy is to read books. Start from the basic foundation books. This will enable you to understand the sentence structures, the words, how they are constructed, and it will also help you to grasp simple logic, simple statements, simple, wisdoms contained in those books. Make your target. Number three, make your target. Get yourself a target of 1 to 3 words per day. You need to get and understand the meaning of 1, 2, 3 words per day. Depending on your effort and your time available, make sure at least every day you learn 1 new word. And this word, you must be able to use it in a sentence. Practice speaking English. Practice with your friends. Practice with your relatives. Practice with your colleagues at work. Try to speak as many sentences as possible in English. And finally, number 5, you must enroll in an English class. You must look for a tutor to help you build your language from basic foundation. Now, with these 5 strategies, you will be able to speak English within a period of 9 months. Put in the effort and you will get the reward. Thank you for taking the time to watch.